Alright, SVC brought another truck. The rest of it, they brought the bed first, and now they brought the rest of the truck so we could finish it. Another monster truck. This one's gonna be really sick, all blocked out. What's up, brother? Oh yeah, this thing's gonna look sick.
Another truck with no miles on it.
Brand new, huh? Yeah, this is a brand new truck with no miles. This is a brand new 2019 with 1,200 miles. So we're gonna make this thing look even better. We're gonna do the white panels on the back, the fenders, and then we'll send it back to SVC and they're gonna finish it with the suspension. Rear bumper, they're gonna put bigger tires. And yeah, this thing's gonna come out really sick. So we'll pull the car inside of the shop right now, remove the fenders, and test fit the other fenders to make sure everything lines up. Gaps are perfect. This is a brand new truck, so we're gonna make the fender fit like a OEM fenders. And this thing got a really nice interior as well. Got the Ricardo seats, two-tone. Wow, beautiful. And look at the miles. Miles are practically 1,225 miles. Wow, that's crazy. So yeah, brand new truck. Still smells like new. That's the back end. So yeah, we'll start working on it. Alright, we got the truck in the shop, so we'll start removing the fenders. Left and the right, so we could test fit the new fenders. Alright, we removed the fenders on both sides. So now we could test fit the new fenders. So yeah, we had to add a little bit more fiberglass on the corner. So we're gonna sand this down and then put a little bit of Bondo, and it should be good to go. And same with this fender, we had to add little fiberglass, so once we sand it down and put a little bit of party, Should be good to go. Alright, left side fender installed. And looking pretty good. So we'll start doing the right side. My dad Ivan, he'll be doing the surgery on this bed. Professional.
Everything.
He knows everything. We gotta make this side panels fit. Like this gap is good, but this is too tight, so we gotta open it up. Same with this. The gap is way too tight. Then we gotta make the tail lights fit. We gotta drill the holes, do a little modification. Then this panel is good for the most part. And then on this panel, make sure the lights fit. Same thing. So we removed both of the side panels, so we could do a little bit of body work. The left and the right. And here is the side panels. Yeah, we just gotta grind a little bit and make the tail lights fit and all that good stuff. So yeah, we're trying to make this light fit. Getting there slowly. Gotta do a lot of grinding and fitting. We're doing the panel number 2. So yeah, we had to grind it down a little bit because it's too thick. Let's take a look at this panel. So this panel is all good. The tail light fits. So we're just trying to make the other one the same. And then we'll remove it again, primer it, and then paint. So the light doesn't even fit whatsoever. So we need to cut this out so the tail light, will fit in it. See how wide this is and how small this space is. And then whatsoever. So yeah, lots of grinding and cutting. And then we gotta drill the holes so the tail light will just slide in there. So that's the process that you gotta go through. And then once we're done with it, we gotta clean everything up, make it look factory look. Alright, we're finished with this side. The gaps are looking good. Tail light installed. So we could start priming. Alright, we did some body work. Everything's all finished. So we'll put some primer and ready for paint. Same with this side. We did little body work. Yeah. Alright, we got the bed and the spray boot ready for paint. Alright, we got the Ford Raptor fenders in the spray boot. Primer prepped and ready to go. So we'll spray them real quick and about 1, 2, 3. Boom. They're all ready. Ready for installation. Alright, the bed is painted, ready to go. We installed the lights. Same with this side. All dialed in. Came out nice and clean. Fantastic.
You let her get down.
What are you doing, mister? What are you doing underneath there? This is gonna be one mean looking truck. Damn, Daniel! It looks pretty mean. If you guys want a truck like that for yourself, comment below. Alright, the bed is installed. We'll put the tailgate right now and we're done with the back end. And we'll start installing the fenders. Alright, we're finished with the Ford Raptor. Came out nice and clean. It's going back to SVC. They're gonna put bigger tires. They're gonna put a rear bumper. They still need to put the rear suspension in. So they're gonna finish all that good stuff. But yeah, but for now we're finished with the bodywork. Everything came out good. Gaps are perfect. Almost has the factory look. Same over here. Nice and good gap. This is a 2019 with 1,000 miles, so brand new truck. Same with the back end. Tail lights fits perfect. So yeah, that's a wrap. Alright guys, that's a wrap for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.